Carbohydrates, often referred to simply as carbs, are frequently the focal point of discussion when addressing diabetes management. While it's common to view carbs as the enemy, the truth is more nuanced. Not all carbohydrates are created equal, and indeed, good carbs can play a critical role in a balanced diet for those managing diabetes. Picture this. Carbohydrates are the body's preferred fuel source, similar to how a car runs best on the right type of gasoline. Good carbohydrates, or complex carbs, provide a steady and sustained release of energy, unlike their simple counterparts, which act like bursts of sugar, spiking blood glucose levels. Foods rich in good carbs are also packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals essential for overall health. First on our list are whole grains. Think of hearty options such as brown rice, quinoa, oats, and whole wheat bread. These grains are unrefined, meaning they have retained their fiber-rich outer layers. Fiber slows down the absorption of sugar, thus preventing sharp spikes in blood sugar levels. As a bonus, they also aid digestion and can help you feel fuller longer, reducing the temptation to snack on less healthy options. Next, let's talk about legumes and lentils. Chickpeas, kidney beans, and black beans are stellar examples. Not only are they high in fiber, but they also boast a low glycemic index, which is key to keeping blood sugar levels in check. The glycemic index ranks carbohydrates on how they affect blood glucose levels, and foods with a low score, like beans, are slowly digested and absorbed, leading to a gradual rise in blood sugar. Another remarkable category of good carbs comes from fruits, specifically those with their skins intact, such as apples, pears, and berries. While fruits do contain natural sugars, their high fiber content helps regulate the rate at which sugar enters the bloodstream. Berries in particular are antioxidant powerhouses, offering additional health benefits beyond blood sugar management. Root vegetables, such as sweet potatoes, are also part of the good carb family. Unlike their starchy counterparts like regular potatoes, sweet potatoes are packed with fiber and beneficial nutrients like vitamin A. They offer a satisfying sweetness without the sugar rush. And let's not overlook the importance of non-starchy vegetables. Broccoli, spinach, asparagus, and peppers are low in carbohydrates, but high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Integrating a variety of colorful vegetables into your diet can ensure you're getting a broad spectrum of nutrients, all while maintaining balanced blood sugar levels. In summary, managing diabetes with the right types of carbohydrates involves choosing options that provide sustained energy and nutritional benefits. Whole grains, legumes, fruits, root vegetables, and non-starchy vegetables all have a place on a diabetic-friendly plate. By focusing on these good carbs, those with diabetes can enjoy a balanced diet, maintain energy levels, and support their overall health. Understanding the true nature of good carbs reshapes how we view food choices in diabetes management. It shows that rather than a restrictive enemy, carbohydrates can be allies in maintaining a healthy, fulfilling lifestyle. Remember, a little knowledge and mindful choices can make all the difference in the journey to better health. For additional tips on diabetes, please like, share, and subscribe.